TALOYA smart ceiling light can work compatible with AI platforms like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. The smart ceiling light is easy to set up and only need 2 steps to finish the installation. You can use mobile phone to control all lights in your home when you come back. Also change the color by voice control after connected Amazon Alexa. It's easy to dimmable the light by voice control. Enjoy your relaxing time in living room. The smart ceiling light is full color of backlight. Can decorate your living room with different color according to your mood. Enjoy the magic experience. The backlight can make children's world colorful, help children drive away the fear of darkness and fall into sweet dream. It's easy click to make schedule for light off and light on. The reading mode can help you to enjoy reading and protect your eyes while watching mobile. Turn on backlight before sleep. Use mobile app to automatically turn off the light. When you need to wake up, the smart ceiling light will help you. TALOYA Smart LED is not only a light, but also an attitude towards life.